We're delighted to announce the release of the 6th Annual Productive Innovation Index, which ranks pharma companies by their ability to successfully bring innovations to market. And it sees Johnson & Johnson sit at the top of the industry for the 4th year running. So what does the index actually measure? Well, the Productive Innovation Index measures, scores, celebrates a company's ability to deliver innovation to patients by objectively evaluating performance data based on a rolling 5-year period, and operates on the simple premise: if you gave the same molecule to 2 different companies in early phase, which would make the best of it? It looks beyond turnover figures and raw approval rates or more subjective measures of innovation. Instead, it assesses companies based on a range of hard factors, including speed to market, attrition rate across phases, reimbursement rates, regulatory approvals, and analyst rankings. And we thought it was critical that we focused on innovation rather than invention. And the industry tends to conflate those two things, but invention is what you discover. Innovation is what you launch. And that simple premise sat behind the concept of the Productive Innovation Index in the first place, because the only innovation that matters in pharmaceuticals is medicines that get to patients. The success of Johnson & Johnson hitting first place across the past 4 years is driven largely by innovations in the field of oncology, immunology, neuroscience, and cardiovascular and metabolism. Notable performers in their portfolio include Zytiga and Imbruvica. What we've seen over the 6 years is a significant shift in smaller companies doing well in the rankings. Takeda, for example, was a major mover on the index this year, rising 14 places to 2nd place. The principal driver for this change is strong sales growth across the US and emerging markets, and they've benefited from a significant number of new drugs in the last 12 to 18 months, Entyvio, Tacacab, Adcetris, and Brintellix as examples. Moving up 15 places to 3rd is Denmark's Novo Nordisk. The company continues to occupy leadership positions in frontline therapy in type 1 diabetes and a significant share of the type 2 diabetes market. Strong performances from Victoza, Levemir, and the 2015 launch of Tresiba for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Other high risers include AbbVie, who move up 12 places to 5th, and Otsuka, who rise from 24th place last year to 9th place. So, Johnson & Johnson continues to be the most successful pharmaceutical innovator globally, largely because of their strategy of pairing externally sourced innovation with strong internal R&D and commercialization capabilities. Their strength in maximizing success per compound is in no small part due to the ability to match products to patient need. There is no gaming the Productive Innovation Index. Serial success on the index is achieved by discovering and developing meaningfully great medicines and getting those medicines to patients. It's wonderful to see a company of the scale of Johnson & Johnson that is able to maintain a consistently excellent innovation profile. For more information, go to ideapharma.com to download the white paper.